Measure the width of the patient's waist, hip bone to hip bone, to determine the appropriate size. Position the patient in an upright position on the bed. Place the belt on the center of the bed at the patient's waistline with a soft flannel side up. Secure the short strap to the bed with a quick-release tie. Bring the long strap over and around the patient's waist. Continue bringing the long strap behind the patient's back and thread the strap through the slot in the back pad. Once the belt is secured around the patient's waist, position the patient on his or her back. Secure the long strap to the bed with a quick-release tie. To secure the straps, find a place underneath the bed that moves with the patient. Wrap the strap around the anchor 2 times. Then pull the strap through by forming a single loop to create a quick-release tie. Secure excess strap out of the patient's reach. Do not over-tighten. 2 fingers should fit between the device and the patient to ensure circulation is not compromised. Allows the patient to sit up and roll side to side while in bed.